police officer, firefighter, nurse, and chef all wave at each other. Because in this town, everyone has a special job. And when they work together, they make a great team. Let's give a big cheer for all our community helpers. Now, everyone, listen to Eri. Okay, sorry. One more time. Listen to Eri. Okay, can we give one